Okay, so just a little video just to show you about a little kit I've put on my Ko-fi page at the moment. This isn't a freebie, but I needed to put a load of things together because of French journals I want to make. So I've just incorporated some French ephemera, okay, that I can cut out and use. I've got 4 pages of the ephemera. Some of this might be in some of my other kits, okay, but I was fed up of sort of like looking for it, so I've put them all together that I can, you know, I've really done this for me, but I know people will be asking me, so I've put it up there to share as well if you need it. So I've done 4 pages of ephemera, all bits and pieces, okay, on the larger scale. Then I've done 2 pages of that shrunk down, smaller. I reckon I could go smaller again with that, because I like it for clusters. This is what I've done it for, really. And just as a bonus, I put a couple of large journaling tags. You can make these into tags if you wanted to. And this picture here, only because I used this picture on a journal cover, and I had to make another journal cover, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I'm sure I had it in one of my kits, but I couldn't find it. So I've done a page full, okay, and put it up on the Ko-fi site. All right, with this, yeah. So I just incorporated it in that. So now we have it, and now I know where it is. Okay, that's it. Thank you.